Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ekta Srivastav and today we are going to learn about the linear equation in two variables. Okay. First we are going to understand that what is equation means. And equation means that it is a type of a statement which says that two equations are equal. Okay, which says that two equations are equal, then we can say that this is an equation. Firstly, we are going to understand then what is variables, what is coefficient, what is operation, and what is constant. So if I write here like 7x plus 2, okay, so here 7 is a coefficient of x. This is a coefficient of x. And what is x? X is a type of variable, okay, and this is a operation, plus, minus, multiplication. These terms is called the operation. This is my operation, and this term is called the constant term. Okay, so we are understand that x is a coefficient of, what is the coefficient of x? Is equal to 7. Okay, x 7 is a coefficient of x, and here plus is the operation, plus minus is the operation, and x and y is a variable. And here 2 is a constant term. We can say that 2 is a constant term. Okay, so this is algebraic expression, we can say that. Okay, and a number without variable, any variable is called constant. It means that it is constant because it doesn't have any variables like x and y. Okay, so we can say that this is a constant term. Okay, and if we're talking about the equation, what is equation? Equation means like if I write here 4x minus 7 is equal to 5, so this is our term. Okay, this is our expression, because an equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expression. So here is a two algebraic expression. Okay, so here we involve the equality sign, so we can say that 4x minus 7 is equal to 5. This term is also known as our equation. Okay, so what is a linear equation? Simply if we can say that if there is only one variable is called a linear equation in one variable. If we can say that there is only two variable, then we can say that linear equation in two variables. Okay, so a linear expression is an expression whose highest power of the variable is 1. So we can say that if I write here 4x minus 3y is equal to 5, so the highest degree of x is equal to 1 and the highest degree of y is equal to 1. So we can say that the linear equation is a highest variable, but it means that highest power of the variable. So we can say that it is a linear equation. It simply means that whose highest power of the variable is 1 only, then we can say that this is our linear equation. So okay, I hope you all will understand. So now we are going to solve the question based on linear equation. So let's start. So how do we solve this question, this type of question? First of all, we write the given that. So what is we write? Given that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 14. Okay, so we write here in the question similarly. So it is in the term of x and y. Okay, so if we write here 2x is equal to 14 minus 3y. So why I transfer here minus? Because I have to find the value of x and y. So firstly we separate the x and we separate the y, then we get the value of x and y. So 2x is equal to 14 and this is our plus operator, then we can change here in the opposite side, then sign will change. So I can write here 14 minus 3y. Okay, so I can easily find the value of x is equal to 14 minus 3y upon 2. This is our one equation. Okay, and the second equation, if we put y is equal to 0. Okay, so if we put y equal to 0 in equation 1. Okay, so x is equal to 14 minus 3, and if we put y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 upon 2. Okay, so here 14 and this term is 0, so we can write here 0 upon 2. So we can write here 14 upon 2 is equal to 7. Okay, so what we get the value of x is equal to 7. Okay, so x is equal to 7 we get. So if we put x is equal to 7 in that equation, so we can easily find the value of y. Okay, so here I can write here, if we put directly x is equal to 7 in equation 1, so I write here. Okay, so here 7 is equal to 14 minus 3y upon 2. Okay, so we know that the equation, so we can cross multiplication direct. We can also do 2 into 7 is equal to 14. and 14 minus 3y. Okay, and here 14, it is a plus sign, so when we transfer it, it will become 14 minus 14. Okay, so it becomes 0 and minus 3y. Okay, so it becomes 0 is equal to 3y, so y is equal to 3. So our value is given that x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 0. We can easily write here x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 0. So we get the required result. So we can write here x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 0. So I hope you all will understand. So further then we can also do the different type of question based on linear equation. So in the next video I